Everyone, hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you. God bless you. My people, I want to give advice to Esther Talk Show. Now you get this topic today. I want to just give you a little advice, and I don't want this video. I don't go do it too long because Esther. I don't want to talk, but I can't say no. I need to give you this small advice. You understand? If a quarrel, all those quarrel what they do for social media, where be say this one go bring, a quarrel go come full everywhere for social media. I know they not really concern me anyway, but I just want to tell you, in case of next time, say you they get quarrel with somebody for live video, and your husband tell you say, don't do that. This live video, it don't too late. Not do am. You go obey am. Now your husband, now he put you for house. You understand me? No matter what they want to talk about you. You know, say if corridor the social media like this. And anybody if you call in, begin to talk with you, not do. This one go can't talk. This one go can't talk. Now that time you can't even see people where they call. When they even know you, don't say they know you. Now so you married 10 husbands before. Now so you do this one. Now so they even they way mad they vandalize you. Now so they way mad they jogodo you. This that you know. So you don't need to even listen to them. You understand? You see that day now. Okay. Because of say this woman already did live video now, she already they talk with you don't do. People don't they call in. These people don't they call. This one don't talk. This one don't talk. So you now want to defend yourself after you already do for YouTube already. The way I tell look you Esther, you don't look like somebody where go they make trouble because you deserve they talk small. Sometimes I they follow you for YouTube if they do your live video, but as your husband tell you say no enter live video, you go obey your husband. Now he put you for house. You understand me? But you can't disobey him. You can't go they follow people will be say they talk. You want to talk too. You know good, my dear. You see that day now. Okay, supposing you obey your husband. What happen that day for no happen. But you know obey him. You want to please people, displease yourself. Now what happen that day? Okay, as you they do your husband tell you say at the same way you they use I talk to your husband. If they talk to you, you don't want to rest. The next thing way you do that to come up for live video, you forget to say you never off live video. You begin go they fight your husband. You even they fight and not reach. The next way you come talk say your husband John Thomas it too small what you go even do. Like serious people you don't see a live video now you did. You let your pikin, you can't even tell your pikin say I hate you forever. How you tell your pikin that kind of thing? Your own pikin. Because your pikin they tell you say, I can't even see where your pikin they tell you say, can't you do the live video tomorrow? Can't you do it tomorrow? We can't be saying that today, now you want to do them. Obey them. When I not let this social media of it thing, they carry they take una away from una family, eh? Because me I don't understand. If una do live video, your husband tell you say stop, una not go one stop. Una not let because of social media, una go lose una husband. Una not let social media go make una lose una own husband. You understand me? That you do very wrong, Esther Talk Show. Now you are the talk to. You just really like you spoil everything. Thank God say your husband forgive you. Thank God. Eh? As he just said you say, come not do them, leave them. Let they talk. Maybe they are mad that they talk. If something don't happen for social media, now then you can't see who no know you go say no you. You know that when you born pikin go saying that when you born 100 pikin before you even marry. They go most talk. They go most talk many things. You the social media now, you they see what they happen now. So your husband tell you say, don't do this live video. You go listen. See your pikin, they want to insult you that day. Your pikin they tell you say, why are you behaving like animal? Your own pikin. Eh? See the word where you use and you forget say live video never off. Before you know now, the people don't already save the video. That video now don't they everywhere. Even when you go delete and but it don't they everywhere. And even they see and when they tell your husband say, na 300 people now they watch you so. Because as in who they help the 300 people? Now that one dey important for you. I've been at your family, they important for you. The 300 people now they important for you. I've been at your own family, they important for you. My dear, don't make that mistake again next time. You say 300 people they watch you because of that one. You don't want to cut live video because you want to disobey your husband because of live video. Like seriously, if your husband leave you, they'll put you for house. In case of next time, I beg, respect your husband. Now your husband they put you for house. If my husband tell me I say not do live video, I can't say because of say because say I want social media now. I not go obey my husband. You know, it's not possible. It's not done anywhere, my sister. In case of next time, don't not disobey your husband again. Okay, just see the shame and disgrace where you put for yourself that day now. You just see him. See what it happened that day now. You dey happy. As that thing they happen that day now, you dey happy. So next time, I beg, not do that kind of thing again at all. Not even mind them again. If any quarrel day, just leave them. Let them talk. Let them talk anything way they want to talk. You're not going to remove anything more for your body. Let them insult you. That one on social media quarrel. Now quarrel. So you just leave them. Make that they begin they fool themselves. They do anything way they want to do. You just suffer. They look them. If they insult you, leave them. If your husband tell you say me you don't answer them, don't answer them. If you say me you answer them, if you answer. Like say you the way you got to enter that day in the night is not just good at all. It's not done, my dear. You not just do away. The man don't already tell you. You be like say, you see what go happen. I tell you say, no enter, no even answer this woman. You say no, you must answer. You want to defend yourself. And then here when they say, I want to defend myself. Defend yourself for waiting. For who? For who? Who you want to defend yourself for? For people, for your fans, for social media people, for people where they use fake accounts. Now then you want to defend yourself for? Like seriously, you not learn for live video. We be say you want to defend yourself for live video presenters there because of saga, because of quarrel, whether they quarrel, because they insult you, because people they call you for the other platform, they talk with their eye not reach. And then now you want to defend yourself for. My dear, in case of next time, you're too beautiful, you fine. I really like you. And they watch you. I really like the way you say they do, but insult, just remove your mouth for all those social media quarrel. Just remove your mouth, I beg. Remove your mouth. Not the evil, they answer them again. You understand me? I'm not the involve your husband for all those social media things again. Not even let your husband they follow you to do live video again. Not the time they follow you do one. Because me, I not see reason where your husband go they follow you to do all those things. Not they involve your husband for all those things again. You understand me? Say that they insult you, you want to come out, you want to defend yourself. I beg, you get children. You see your picky dog grow, your picky they quarrel with you that day. You will come they bite them because of people. You they vex because of what that they talk, because of say that they on another platform they insult you. You want to like come out now, yeah, maybe you can't defend yourself for people, and now quarrel come to your house that day. That video now don't go. Anything you do now don't go bring that video come out. Any small thing you do now don't go bring that video come out. I think that the way when they praise yourself, they say whether they don't see your beautiful home, they don't see your husband, they don't see this, then later now you can see use your hand. You want to spoil everything, but thank God. Thank God, I see how your husband come, they say no even know where to come over around. You don't know because that anger don't enter around that day. You don't the verse already. You don't the verse. So thank God, say your husband, family, all of them, they forgive you. And so if you lose your husband because of social media, you can't lose your own husband. More you don't build finish. You can't lose them because of social media, because you want to please them. You want to please them. You can't lose your own marriage. You reason now. Reason my sister. You can't lose your marriage because of social media people. I beg, case of next time. Don't do this kind of thing again at all. You're not called for, my dear. What would they give ourselves respect so that may other people still respect us? When I saw now be presenters, present way so that people will still learn from Muna. Not be so now they present saga, yeah, quarrel here, this year. I believe some people will not get topic. Now they carry saga, they carry and they put forward. Yeah, because if they get topic, I don't see what to go make them they do saga. I don't see what to go make them they do quarrel things. You understand me, my sister, my beautiful sister Esther? In case of next time, if your husband tell you say not do live video, not do. I beg, I just got to beg you. Thank you, everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and always put thumbs up for me. So anything you think about this video, my people, just leave your comment for the comment section. Thank you, everybody. Take care. Bye.